Hey guys, it's Mr. Wigand. Today we're going to look at solving two-step equations using inverse operations. We've already looked at solving one-step equations using inverse operations, so you should be familiar. The only difference is going to be that we're going to have equations with two operations. 2 times x, I have multiplication, plus 8. So I have multiplication and addition. So two operations means 2 steps to solve it. So let me first copy down the problem. 2x plus 8 equals 26. Alright, we have multiplication and we have addition. And we have to decide what are we going to do first. We're going to divide because that's the inverse of multiplying, or we're going to subtract because that's the inverse of adding. And it turns out that we use the reverse or the opposite of the order of operations. So we do adding and subtracting first and multiplying and dividing second when solving equations. So I will handle the addition first. The inverse of adding is, of course, subtracting. Subtract 8 on both sides. So whatever we do on one side of the equal sign, we must do on the other. 8 minus 8 is 0. That cancels. I bring down my 2x. Bring down my equal sign. 26 minus 8 is 18. All right, that was one step. Now my second step. I have multiplication, 2 times x, and we are going to now divide, because that's the inverse. We show division with a fraction bar. We do it on both sides. 2 divided by 2 is 1, or 1x. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Circle. And now I'm going to check. Remember to check, we write down the original equation. 2x plus 8 equals 26. We substitute 9 in for x. So 2 times 9 plus 8 equals 26. Hopefully this is going to work out. Right now we're following the correct order of operations. We're not solving, we're evaluating. So 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. And that's true. So we solved correctly. X does equal 9. All right, the next equation, y divided by 3 minus 6 equals 18. So we have division and we have subtraction this time. I'm going to write down our equation. Y divided by 3 minus 6 equals 18. Once again, we're going to handle the subtraction first because adding and subtracting, we do the inverse first. So minus 6, I'll do plus 6 on both sides of the equation. Remember, this minus 6 is the same as plus negative 6, and negative 6 plus 6 is 0. They cancel. I bring down my y divided by 3. Bring down my equal sign, and that's important that we always bring that equal sign down. 18 plus 6 is 24. And now, that was my first step. Now my second step. Y divided by 3, the inverse of dividing is multiplying. So I'm going to multiply by 3. I'm going to show the 3 up in the numerator. I'm going to use a dot or a parentheses. I'm not going to use an x. I'm going to multiply by 3 on this side as well. Remember, think of this as 3 over 1, and these 3's cancel, just like when I multiply fractions. I have 1y. 24 times 3 is 72. Circle our solution. Right, now we're going to check. Y divided by 3 minus 6 equals 18. We'll substitute 72 in for y. 72 divided by 3 minus 6. Hopefully that's going to equal 18. 72 divided by 3 turns out to be 24. Remember, I'm doing the division first because now I'm evaluating. Now 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 equals 18. That's a true statement. So I'll check that off. Y equals 72 was the correct solution. So remember, when I'm solving two-step equations, I'm using inverse operations. I'm taking 2 steps. I do the inverse of the adding and subtracting first, multiplying, dividing second, and then always check your solutions. Good luck, guys.